See? Yan, 1, 2, 3. Good day everyone, my name is Rex Magdaluyo from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering 1A. Ngayon naman ay papaliwanag ko sa inyo ang derivatives of exponential functions. May problem tayo dito na find the dy over dx if y is equals to e raised to 5x squared. Ito ang ating base e. At ang ating u naman ay ang 5x squared. Susolve na natin siya. Dy over dx is equals to e 5x squared times the derivative of 5x squared. Substitute lang natin siya. E raised to 5x squared times the derivative ng times 5 times 2x para makuha natin ang derivative nito. Ito na. Sulat ko na 5 times 2x is equals to 10x. Ibaba lang natin to, bring down lang natin yan. 5x squared. At ito na ang ating sagot.